Hey, thanks for tuning in. Today we've got a 2014 International Prostar Daycab. It's a manual 10-speed transmission. We'll go ahead and take a walk around. Got aluminum steers and aluminum drives on this truck. Please check us out online. See our website there on the mud flaps, ExcelerateTrucks.com. We manage that website daily with our available inventory, so it is accurate. Keep in mind, all of our trucks are fleet purchase trucks. They're fleet maintained vehicles. When we get each truck available, a third-party shop here in Indianapolis, Indiana will go through each truck very thoroughly. They'll make any and all necessary repairs. Perform a fresh DOT inspection, so we're doing everything up front to ensure that this truck is road ready for you. Let's hop inside. Odometer is reading 439,826 miles. Again, manual 10-speed transmission. AC is blowing ice cold right now as well. Go ahead and roll the hood. That's it. 2014 International Prostar Daycab, manual 10-speed transmission. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all notifications, and if you could like and share, we would appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in.